Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I did this crown braid. I am on my way to work out. Actually, I went to work out in my living room, but I don't like my hair down or just back in a ponytail. Sometimes I want to do something to my hair and that smells good. So I've put together this video. And if you give me about 9 minutes, I will show you guys how to do an easy, simple crown braid. This lasted me for maybe about 4 days, and I wanted to have a braid out for the weekend, so I decided to braid my hair up. So I hope you guys can see this very well. I am just applying some type of water and shea butter. What I applied, which was yellow, was some shea butter cream, or yeah, shea butter cream that I created, and it is a peppermint shea butter cream. So yeah, I am applying that, making sure my hair is moisturized, has some type of oily substance to it, so it won't be dry or anything like that. So I started that braid at the very top. I tend to braid at the very beginning of where the part starts, and that's because I want to make sure I get everything. I don't typically like the baby hair and all that type of stuff that you see everybody doing. I want to have the braid starting all the way at the beginning because I don't leave anything out. I don't like leaving anything out whatsoever. All right, so what I'm doing is actually, you can see that I'm pulling down, making sure that my hair is smooth all the way down, and I'm just pulling it down and putting it into the braid. So yeah, this crown braid is pretty tight. Some crown braids, most of them are very loose, and you'll see that I make sure that it's very tight, very quick. I am not wasting any time trying to braid this up here. And like I said, it's very quick style. And no, I do not wear lipstick when I go and work out. So, but you'll see that at the end of the video, or actually, as you saw at the beginning, the picture of the finished product. So I'm just braiding. The way I parted my hair is, you can part it any way you want. I just parted it to make sure that it's even amount of hair on both sides of the braids, or on wherever I'm braiding. I make sure it looks like it's somewhat similar to wherever I need it for the crown braid. You can braid different if you want, or you can braid, excuse me, you can make a part different if you like. So I guess I was showing some of my hair falling out there. Not necessarily falling out, but you know how you comb your hair, you have excess hair that comes out, which is natural. All right, so I'm braiding the front part of my hair. I'm just gonna go and do the same process. Make sure I comb through it a little bit, and I'm spraying in my spray bottle. Like I mentioned, it's water and a little bit of the conditioner that I've mixed, or my body butter, shea butter that I mixed together. It does have peppermint in it, so I have that in the bottle, and I also have in there in the container cream. So that's the yellow stuff I'm putting on my hair. It's this shea butter cream that has peppermint essential oil in it and some other great things that I mixed up, and it makes my hair smell great, and also does great things for my hair, keeps it moisturized. I'm combing it out with a wide tooth comb at the end of that comb there. So yeah, and I just make sure I get as close as I can to my braid, and I'm going to be pinning it up in the back and making sure that that all is well. And this will last me, like I said, a couple of days. It did last me a few days. You just tie it up. Make sure you tie it up maybe with a silk scarf or a cap. Just make sure you tie it down. A satin cap may not work as well, just because you want to make sure that you don't get any flyaways or any frizzies as you're sleeping or going about your day. So when you do tie it down, make sure you do that. As you can see, like I mentioned before on the other braid, I am just making sure I smooth down and pull very tight the braid, what I'm braiding into this crown braid. And like I mentioned, this is a tight crown braid. I just wanted a particular style, so you can braid it very loose if you like. I am natural, and you guys can go to the very first video, I believe it's the first video that I posted of my big chop, and you will see that I have been natural for 3 years. I was very relaxed, or was relaxed. I've been relaxed, had been relaxed for about since I was in the seventh grade. So many, many years I was relaxed. And then, so about 3 years ago, I decided to chop my hair off because my hair has always been long, but the texture of my hair is very curly. And I just wanted to get back to that. And yeah, so it's doing well. And I have a lot of shrinkage. So actually, my hair is about bra strap length, so BSL on this here. So yeah, so I just braided it up, braided it back. That little piece where my ear is hanging out, that's kind of bothering me. So I'm gonna fix that later. You'll see it. But yeah, just braiding down. But I have been natural, and I'm actually loving it. So I'll do a video. I guess probably an updated video, letting you guys see what what my natural state of hair looks like. My hair was somewhat dry, so you're not be able to see like the entire look of my hair. So after I wet it and style it, you'll be able to see it. You can also follow like my Instagram page. And sometimes I do some braid outs or things like that, and you'll be able to see some things that I'm doing with my natural hair. Yeah, so what I'm doing is just pinning it up, and it's gonna be very, very cute. So you guys watch the rest of the video and you'll see how I pin my hair up, and that'll be it. So I told you guys if you give me just a couple minutes that I will show you guys how to do a crown braid. I promise I'll be right back. I just ran to get the pins. So I was braiding hair and styling hair, and I had my bag of pins, bobby pins, out in the living area in my bag. So that's what I went to grab. And I'm kind of working that pin through my hair, just making sure I'm only going to use a couple, because I don't want tons of pins in my hair, so I won't be able to sleep well. So, all right, so there's the crown braid. You guys enjoy. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching this channel, and thanks for watching my update on my braid. Have a good day.